Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In the puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, June the 5th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles: the 2 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. Two puzzles remain: the tectonic, and it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 6534. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10. Double check: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in, between two 1s comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two 1s comes in O. Between two 1s comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Then between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If we place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. If I place number 4, the fifth 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Well, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. And an O between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an... Oh, wait. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Well. Without comparing. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.